We are taking a stroll through apartment 370. This is the Clydesdale floor plan. When you walk in, directly to your left is your utility closet, and then you walk directly into your kitchen. And we apologize, we still are under construction, so you'll see some things like the black hardware missing on the cabinets and a few of the lighting fixtures missing. But this is your kitchen. There's a great amount of cabinet and counter space in here. And this island is perfect. You can tuck your bar stool so it doesn't get in the way of your walkway. You have a great black backsplash with your stainless appliances. And then here in the island is where you'll have your microwave. And then let's walk down this hallway. So this first door here is a coat closet. And it does have an outlet in it, which is nice. And then you walk down here to get to your laundry space. So this has full-size washer and dryer and extra storage above. Then I apologize, we don't have our lighting up in here, but this is a powder room. So this floor plan is 1 bedroom with a den and then 1.5 baths. So this is your powder room here. And you will have lighting in here. All right, let's walk down here to see your living space. So you've got these great windows. So all this natural light coming in. Let's take a look at it from this angle so you can see it with your kitchen space as well. All right, and this is your den. So this really cool retractable door. So you can open up your living space if you'd like, or you can use it as a den or an office, whatever you'd like. So lots of extra space. And then this will also have a terrace. So we don't have that completed yet, but you will be able to walk out here as well. This is so cute. Okay, let's go into the bedroom. So again, you see those beautiful windows. Got your ceiling fan in here. This is a pretty big bedroom. And then your bathroom is right off of the suite. And so we are missing the lighting in here as well, but you have the double vanity. And then look at all of that extra cabinet storage space. So beautiful there. And then around the corner here, you'll have your shower, and that'll have 2 glass doors. Glass surround there, and it goes all the way to the ceiling with your tile. And then you have this California walk-in closet. So this is lit, obviously, and then it's fully customizable. You can move around those shelves however you would like. And then we'll check out the bathroom from this angle. Let's check out that kitchen one more time. There's the den from this angle so you can see it.